Hello everybody and welcome. Today's video we have a new product to test out. I was sent these rain guards by BestEvMod and asked to try them out and let them know what I think. So the box just showed up the other day. We have a pretty good storm that's coming in starting tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And I wanted to go ahead and get these installed so that we could check them out on the day of the storm, see how well they work. So inside of the box, we have a box. And let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in here. Okay, in this box, what do we have? We have the various rain guards for all the different doors and one more. Cool. So looks like the rears and the front, I'll have to go through it and figure out which side is which shouldn't be too hard to do. It does look like it has some 3M double-sided tape on the back. It should make for a pretty quick and easy install. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Cool. All right, let's get the truck cleaned up and we'll put these things on. Getting these out and getting it ready, it's going to be super easy to tell which side of the truck to put it on. You have a flat edge here and then you have the bent one, so you're going to have your 90-degree angle here and then down here. To the back half now. You can kind of see here a little bit of a better angle, how well it does line up, how flush it is, and I'm sure this tape is going to be pretty strong. I can already tell. So let's go ahead and get this back one on and see how that goes. If that propane truck, sounds like they're done. Got it. Okay, so the wider side here, we decided we're going to get close as we can up to there and get that lined up like that. This will, it's already that time.
What?
It's already that time.
I know.
Dun dun dun. Yeah.
Okay.
Bye. So here's a little quick close-up of how it turned out. As you can see, they line up very well. All the way back here, has a tight seal on it. That tape is not going anywhere. Even just it barely touching the trim of the truck, it it stuck to it pretty well. The other side. As you can tell right there. Another really good tight fit. Awesome, let's jump in. All right, everybody, welcome. I am on my first drive out here with the rain guards. So I did install them, as you can see right here. And the first thing I'll say is that I was pleasantly surprised by how little of it actually hangs over the edge. You can see on both sides here. There's not a lot of material that hangs past the natural outline of the window that would... Oh, could you imagine if I just picked that guy up with this thing on? I should have just picked him up and just had him get in and just straight up stare at him. Hello. I don't think he would have gotten in. That'd have been funny. Okay, anyways, we're not picking up hitchhikers, but what we are talking about are rain guards. So, anyways, yeah, as I was saying, the one thing that I like the best, the one thing that I do like about these is that it doesn't have a lot of overhang. And I was really pleasantly surprised about that. So in conclusion, here's my thoughts. I think they serve a good purpose. They work really well. If you have kids, maybe they like to roll the windows down when it's raining and get a little bit of airflow, which otherwise you might not want. I did have them rolled down the windows at least a few inches while it was raining moderately hard, and I didn't get a drop of water in the truck. So they're doing their job. They're doing what they were designed to do, which is a good thing. And they are sturdy. Alternatively, what I'm thinking is, best case use scenario for me is when I was doing some off-roading in the rain and I wanted to hear what was going on outside, but I didn't want to roll my window down because it was raining or because I was sitting somewhere in a parking lot waiting or whatever it is. But the ability, strictly just based on the fact that you have the ability to roll your window down if you would like when it's raining and have some good airflow, I think it's a win right there. It's worth it. we're stopped at a stoplight and it's raining pretty decently. As you can see, the inside of the truck is perfectly dry. These do not leak. They don't shake on the highway at freeway speeds. No increased wind noise. And I'd say they're definitely working as intended.